There's an Easter egg for Batman v Superman in I Am Legend. At the turn of the century, Warner Bros. Was sitting on a gold mine with their DC properties, namely Batman and Superman, but couldn't really figure out what to do with them. Initially, the idea was to have Darren Aronofsky co-write and direct Batman Year One while J. Abrams would write Superman Flyby. But screenwriter Andrew Kevin Walker pitched an even better idea. What if they reintroduced both characters by having them face off? Walker's idea eventually came to life, although it was produced many years later by entirely different people. The concept was born way back in 2001, but it had lost steam by 2007 when Warner Bros. Made I Am Legend. The post-apocalyptic Will Smith vehicle includes a sad Easter egg alluding to the long-planned superhero flick. Sharp-eyed fans can catch a glimpse of a billboard combining the Batman and Superman logos in the zombie film. Will Smith trained with actual military squads to prep for Deadshot. Will Smith trained with actual military squads to prep for Deadshot. Ryan Gosling passed on the Joker. Gal Gadot was pregnant while filming Wonder Woman and Justice League. Gal Gadot was pregnant while filming Wonder Woman and Justice League. Zack Snyder has made cameos in multiple Dceu films. Warner Bros. Asked Ben Affleck to direct Man of Steel. Emma Roberts turned down the role of Harley Quinn for Scream Queens. Adam Driver and Joaquin Phoenix were up for the role of Lex Luthor. Adam Driver and Joaquin Phoenix were up for the role of Lex Luthor. Gal Gadot almost gave up acting before Wonder Woman. Gal Gadot almost gave up acting before Wonder Woman. Gal Gadot didn't know what she was auditioning for when she went in for Wonder Woman. After seeing her in the Fast and the Furious franchise, Warner Bros. Became very interested in Gal Gadot. However, Gadot wasn't actually told what part she was trying out for when she auditioned because studio execs were trying to keep the project under wraps. Gadot conveyed the experience to Rolling Stone, saying Zack Snyder called her after the first screening to confirm she was auditioning to be Diana Prince. According to Gadot, Zack Snyder called me and was like, "So do you know what you're testing for?" I said, "No." He said, "Well, I'm not sure if you have her in Israel. But did you hear about Wonder Woman?" She quickly pieced together the enormous opportunity being presented to her and accepted. The first person to play Superman on the big screen made a cameo in Man of Steel. The name Aaron Smolinski might not mean anything to you, but he was technically the first person to grace the silver screen as Kal-El. At the beginning of 1978's Superman, a young Kryptonian boy crawls out of his downed spaceship in Kansas before being adopted by the Kents. That boy was played by Smolinski, who managed to sneak into another Superman film 35 years later when he played an unnamed communications officer in Man of Steel. One of his biggest roles between Superman stints was Pete in MVP, Most Valuable Primate, a movie about a hockey-playing chimp.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.